Hello, I'm Dr. Tim Jennings with your Mental Health Minute. Science has now shown that exercise is not only beneficial to your body, but keeps your brain healthy as well, decreasing your risk of dementia. When we exercise, the muscles produce a powerful anti-inflammatory factor which reduces inflammation throughout the body. Exercise stimulates the brain to produce chemicals that elevate mood and contribute to the infamous runner's high. But more importantly, exercise triggers the brain to produce proteins which cause the brain to make new neurons. In a recent study of 120 older adults, aerobic exercise caused the portion of the brain critical to memory to grow by 2%. This growth effectively reversed brain volume loss which occurs with aging. The multiple beneficial effects of exercise not only promote better physical health, but keep your brain young, reducing the risk of dementia. To be smart requires a healthy brain, so be smart, train for your brain.
To learn more about mental health, visit comeandreason.com.